In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a quick capture inbox in Obsidian so you never lose another idea. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open Obsidian and then open the vault where you want to create your inbox. You'll want a dedicated place for fleeting thoughts, so click the New Folder button in the File Explorer, name it Inbox, and hit Enter. This folder will act as your digital catch-all, giving you a single spot to dump ideas without worrying about where they belong yet. Now click on that Inbox folder to select it, then click New Note. Name this note Quick Notes. This is going to be your primary scratchpad inside the inbox. From now on, whenever you have an idea, a reminder, or a random task, just open that Quick Notes file. Simply type whatever comes to mind, a full thought, a to-do, or just a fragment. To capture information quickly, use bullet points. Just hit dash and space before each entry. You can also add tags right inside the note to help you sort things later. For example, add a tag like idea for creative thoughts, task for things you need to do, or note for general information. This makes it incredibly easy to filter and find stuff when you review later. And here's the most important part. You need to review your inbox regularly. Set aside a few minutes at the end of each day or week to go through your quick notes. When you do, move any important notes to the appropriate folders in your vault. Just drag and drop them into your projects, references, or areas folders. This keeps your inbox clean and your main vault organized. For extra speed, remember that pressing Ctrl+N on Windows creates a new note instantly, perfect for capturing something before it slips away. And when you need to find a note you've already saved, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to open the quick switcher and jump to any file in seconds. You've now got a full quick capture system in Obsidian that works exactly the way your brain does. Review regularly, tag thoughtfully, and your vault will stay tidy without ever stifling a good idea. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.